Mainit-init na chismis. Valentine Rosales hints at possible power couple split in ITM blind item. Online chatter heated up after Valentine Rosales shared and reacted to a blind item from entertainment page into the Metro ITM asking, "Is this the end of a power couple's fairy tale?" In his post, Valentine clarified that the power couple being hinted at is a well-known Philippine love team. He added another clue: one of the two currently has a Netflix project that made the top 10 but has been appearing solo, with the former love team partner noticeably absent. And this quickly fueled guesses and speculation among netizens about who the blind item could be referring to. Still, Valentine playfully said he's leaving the guessing to the public, admitting that even he was surprised by the gossip he heard. Ito nga ang sabi ni Valentine Rosales. Power couple po ang sinabi. It means kilalang kilala na love team sa Pinas. Iilan na lang ba ang power couple sa Pinas? Wala ng Katnel at Jadine, pati Liz Ken. So ano yung isa sa pinaka power couple ngayon? Gusto nyo ng clue? Sige, sino may project ngayon sa Netflix na laging may ka-love team? Pero ngayon, project niya solo na lang siya. Kayo na bahala mag-guess kung sino tong power couple na to. Haha, ako nahulaan ko na agad eh. Ayon pa kay Valentine, clue check nyo na sa top 10 shows ngayon sa Netflix. Tapos yung isa doon walang ka-love team, pero kilala sila ng ka-love team niya, ngunit palabas niya solo na lang siya.